Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brenda, and if you love home decor, then you're in the right place. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. Today is the first day of Vlogmas, so keep on watching.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Oh my god, I cannot believe that I'm doing Vlogmas, you guys. This is so exciting. I feel like a lot of my new subscribers don't really know me. I never really do vlog style videos. If you guys have been subscribed to my channel for quite some time, you know that I don't really do vlogs. So for me, this is exciting. I can't wait to bring you guys along with me day to day, you know, get my coffee, go to the stores, get ready, cook with me, and all that fun stuff that I will be showing you guys. You know, during Vlogmas, I will be posting a vlog every single week, every Tuesday to be specific. If for any chance there's any change, I will definitely let you guys know. But I'm aiming towards Tuesdays. So yeah, this is exciting. I cannot wait to share with you guys my life, and you guys can get to know a little bit more about me personally, how I am, and you know what I do. So hat or no hat? That's the question. Every single day. But you guys, I wear my hat so much. Like I'm obsessed with it, honestly. And like I said before, during this time of the years where I wear my hat the most. So yeah, you guys probably get tired of seeing me with hats. Anyways, we're about to leave. So we're heading to the snow. We're gonna go do our intro for Vlogmas, which by now you guys probably have already seen it. I really wanted you guys to see how we work behind the scenes. You guys know that the man behind the camera is my husband, and I want to show you guys, you know, all the hard work that we put into each and every one of our videos. Baby, you ready? Look how handsome my baby looks. Ooh, let me show you guys.
Hi guys.
Oh my god, que guapo. Oh, we picked up this really cool thing at Target, you guys. So it's a snowman kit. It comes with everything to build our snowman. So that's pretty neat. If you guys have kids, I highly recommend you go pick that up. Well, we'll show them when we get to the snow, baby. They'll be able to see it. Pugsy's super excited because he's going with us, but don't worry, guys. We're going to take all of his, like, you know, stuff in case he gets really cold. You guys know pugs can be very delicate, so we're going to take... Yeah, he's super excited. Every time we leave the house, he gets like that. Oh, baby, let me show them your outfit because, yeah, if you guys have kids, you have baby boys in particular, go to Zara. I got this for him at Zara. It is so nice. I actually have a matching one for me. We need to find one for Eddie, but this is nice. Your boots, baby, are from Zara. Your jeans are from Zara, and I think your shirt.
My gloves are over there.
Oh, your gloves are from North Face. I think your shirt is from H&M. I'm not sure. Yeah, que guapo. Look how handsome my baby boy is. And of course, my husband. Let me see, baby, your outfit. Your shirt is from Zara, right?
Yeah.
Zara, jeans from Zara. Shoes, Aldo. He needs new shoes. We both need new shoes. I'm actually wearing my Dachshunds now. But, okay, so let's head out. I'm going to take all of my stuff.
Pugsley even has his jacket too.
Oh, I know. So with Pugsley, we've been having a little bit of an issue, guys. None of his sweaters fit him. We've been buying him sweaters, but they don't fit him. This is the only one that fits him. Huh, Pugsley? You ready to go to the snow?
He has a big neck, that's why.
Yeah, he has a really big neck. Oh my God. All right, let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're going to head out. We'll see you guys. Ooh, this is the worst. Okay. All right, guys, so we're going to head out. We'll see you guys at the snow. Say peace, baby.
Peace.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Ready to go up there, Papa?
Yeah.
Oh, let me fix, baby. Come here. Let me fix your beanie.
I want to get my gloves. My hands are freaking cold.
That you guys can see how beautiful it is. So we're thinking of going up there because it's just flat. If we go this way, we'll have to hike a little bit. So we're gonna go right up there where it's flat. It is chilly though. Like I'm like, ooh, it is a little bit cold. I brought my jacket, so I'm definitely going to change into my bigger coat. But for the intro, I kind of want to, you know, wear what I'm wearing. So this is actually Pugsley's first time at the snow. We brought him little boots, so don't worry, guys. We're gonna protect his paws. Hopefully he likes them. Ooh, it is cold. But let me go get my stuff and we'll see you guys once we get up there. Okay, so we're all changed. So I'm wearing my hat, of course. You guys know, it's like my trademark. So this is my outfit right here. Ooh, 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 I don't want to fall. My scarf is from Zara. My dress is from Zara. My boots are from Zara. Everything's from Zara. And it's just pretty much making sure everything's good to go. Ooh, I'm like trying to balance myself. Maybe like this now.
I made a snowball.
Snowball. Oh, let me show you guys. So we didn't have to go too high up to find snow. And it's just the perfect. Oh, there goes Pugsley, babe. Look. It's his first time in the snow. Pugsley. Oh, he took off his boots. He didn't like them. Okay.
There's a lot of snow.
Time to get going. Hold on, baby. Not yet until your dad tells you.
Okay.
There's the man behind the camera, guys. Everybody always asks. Hi, babe. Say hi. Okay. So here's a little behind the scenes shot. Okay, run. Go, go, go. I don't think he likes the snow. He didn't run. You didn't run. Pugsley, you didn't run. You didn't run. You didn't like it. Okay, so we just got done. We're running to the car because it is freezing, you guys. Whew. I'm so happy we're doing this right now, not later because there's going to be more snow. But anyways, we're going to get in the car. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So this is the coat that I have. I always wear this coat, and when I wear it, I get asked if it's still in store. Yes, it is. It's right here. It's $59.99. Just in case you guys were wondering, I always wear this coat. So I made my way to Pottery Barn. You guys know I get a lot of inspiration for my home from Pottery Barn. This garland looks just like mine. It looks just like mine. But let's go see what they have for the holidays. Ooh, pines. So they're having 20% off your purchase. These are so cute. I have very similar ones that I got from Target. How much is that little one, babe, right here? It looks just like mine. Oh, it's right there. 20.
Yeah, Target, they're like $5.
$5, guys. Yeah. $5 at Target. I kind of wanted to see if I got like some inspiration, like some table setups or something like that. Let's go over here. Let's go see. Ooh, if you're into the traditional Christmas decor, this is very festive. Look at the little gnomes. Do you like it, babe? No. Not our cup of tea. Oh, babe, look at these. Oh, we were going to ask about the candle, remember? Yeah. For your brother? Oh, look, the little reindeers. How cute. Oh, by the way, guys, this is where I got my dinerware. In case you guys saw my tablescape for the holidays. We got it at Pottery Barn. Oh, yeah. Those are very similar to mine, huh?
They are.
Damn. 142. What? I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, no? Oh, look, the sales section. Any goodies? No, of course not. Of course not. Baby, let's go in. Okay, guys, so these you can find at Target for half the price. It is part of the Studio Hoodie collection. They just don't have, oh yeah, they do have the brown color, but I think they're sold out. They're sold out, but these are identical to those. Crazy. It even feels the same. I actually purchased it for myself, but I didn't end up liking the color, so I returned it. But wow, such a dupe. Somebody got thirsty. We got him some water. Thirsty. All that walking and in the snow.
And I got hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
It makes me warm.
Worm. Baby, cover your nose.
Okay.
Who else's child does that? Such a bad habit. Okay. Let's wait for Pugsy to finish drinking and then we can get going. Good morning, guys. So it's actually the following day, and yesterday we just realized that we forgot to do our Avid calendars. We picked these up, actually. I picked mine up at Target, and Aiden picked his up at TJ Maxx, and I think because yesterday we were just in a hurry, guys. We totally forgot to do these, so we wanted to do them here with you guys. So, baby, you ready to open up yours?
Yeah.
Okay, give me 1
second.
Let me get mine too. Okay, so here's mine. Again, it's the Harry Potter one. 15 days of socks. And then Aiden's, babe, I think Aiden's is
24 days.
okay. So
cars.
Aiden's is 24 days, and it's an advent calendar as well, and it has cars. I think I don't know. We'll let him do his first. So go ahead and show him his.
Okay.
Oh, actually,
We open it up from right here, like that, and then
So the way.
like that, and then from the back you put the stand.
What is it, baby?
It's a Hot Wheels calendar, Ma.
So you have to start the 24th day.
Wait, so just right here.
Yeah. No, don't send it up. Just put it down, Aiden. Just put it down. It'll be easier for you. Okay, so go ahead and open up this one.
Okay, so I put my finger right here.
Stay out.
I hope I got a good car.
Oh, it's a Hot Wheel.
This one's cool. Let me erase it around.
That's cool. Okay, so you can open up the rest until every single day, Papa.
Like tomorrow, I can open another one.
And then now mine. So again, mine's Harry Potter. I think this is pretty cool. We tried finding one for Eddie, guys, but we couldn't find one that he liked. He actually wanted a Star Wars one, you said?
No, one that has beer.
Oh, yeah. Oh my God, this looks so cool. So they have different ones at Target, guys. I'll obviously link the one that I got down below. But they have so many to choose from. I chose to go with the book version one. I just think it's more original, and I think it's really nice. I can't wait to open it. It has socks in it. I mean, you can't go wrong with having too many socks. So I am obsessed. This is so cool. I've mentioned to you guys before that I am a huge Harry Potter fan. So I am in love with it. Here, babe, hold this real quick. I wanted to show you them. So, oh my God, this is so neat. I don't even want to open it. And I just keep it like this. I really don't even want to open it. This is so cute. Oh, okay, so it has 5 pairs of crew socks and 10 pairs of low-cut socks. That's so cool. Okay, look, Pugsley. Isn't that the cutest? Which one do you like, Miss Kitty? Maybe if we do, I for sure know that I want one with Aiden, so maybe I want this one. The one of you and Aiden, huh?
Yeah.
This one.
And
then-
this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, I think like that one. Okay, so I'm gonna put those 3. So I'm probably gonna do that right now. Again, you guys, this is something really cute to have in your kitchen. I think it's really cute, really adorable. Okay, guys, and that completes today's vlog. I'm actually all ready. I'm heading out the door. Make sure you guys tune into next week's video so you guys can see what I'm up to. I'm actually gonna go hit up a few stores today. Target, Home Goods, Home Depot. I gotta go pick up some cleaning products, and busy day. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas. I cannot wait for you guys to come along with me for the remainder of the month. Make sure you guys stay safe, and I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.
Time doesn't matter if the slow